Let me guess. Every time someone says AI tools, you hear the same names. ChatGPT, Midjourney, Canva, different video, same list, over and over again. And don't get me wrong, those tools are fine. But the real advantage right now, it's not using what everyone already knows about. It's using the quiet tools, the unsexy ones, the ones doing real work in the background while everyone else is still debating prompts on Twitter. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through 10 hidden gem AI tools that can save hours, automate busy work, reduce mental load, and quietly give you an edge without needing to become an AI expert. Let's get into it. 1. Bardeen. Bardeen is automation without the headache. It lives inside your browser and connects the tools you already use. Chrome, Google Sheets, CRMs, email, LinkedIn, calendars, forms, all of it. Think about how much time gets wasted on things like copying leads from one place to another, updating spreadsheets manually, moving info between apps, repeating the same clicks every single day. Bardeen watches how you work, then does it for you. Once it's set up, tasks that used to take 10 minutes now take 10 seconds, or 0. If you're in marketing, sales, recruiting, operations, or honestly, if you sit in front of a computer all day, this replaces a surprising amount of manual effort. 2. Notebook LM. Notebook LM is what research should have been years ago. Instead of juggling PDFs, notes, Google Docs, and half-remembered ideas, you upload everything into one place. Then you ask questions, and instead of shallow summaries, Notebook LM actually understands the content. You can ask, what are the key themes across these documents? Where do these sources contradict each other? Summarize this idea in plain English. It connects dots across sources in a way that feels more like a research assistant than a chatbot. If you read a lot, write a lot, or think for a living, this tool turns information overload into usable insight. 3. Pickaxe. Pickaxe is for builders, but not just developers. It lets you create custom AI tools and assistants without needing to be a hardcore programmer. Entrepreneurs are using it to build internal tools for their teams, niche AI assistants for specific industries, paid tools that solve one very specific problem. This is how a lot of small, focused AI products are being created right now. If you've ever caught yourself thinking, I wish there was an AI that only did this one thing really well, Pickaxe is how people are turning that idea into something real. 4. Blackbox AI. Blackbox AI is like Google for code, except it understands what you're actually trying to do. You describe a problem in plain English. It finds, explains, or generates the code you need. Developers use it to move faster, debug quicker, avoid rewriting the same logic, understand unfamiliar code bases. Even if you're not a developer, chances are someone on your team is. And tools like this are quietly accelerating entire software workflows. It's not flashy, it's just efficient. 5. Rewind AI. Rewind AI sounds almost too powerful when you first hear about it. It securely records what you do on your computer, screens, apps, activity, and lets you search your past like a timeline. So instead of thinking, where did I see that document? What did I write last Tuesday? What site was open during that meeting? You just search. It's like having perfect recall, without relying on your brain to remember everything. For people juggling lots of projects, calls, and context, this is a massive cognitive upgrade. 6. Kittl. Kittl is an underrated design tool that doesn't get enough attention. It combines AI-powered graphics with high-quality templates that don't look generic or overused. Logos, typography, merch designs, social graphics. It's fast, polished, and professional, without needing to be a designer. A lot of people default to the same tools and end up with the same look. Kittl helps you stand out without overthinking it. 7. Agent Voice. Agent Voice is AI for phone calls, and that's a big deal. It handles inbound calls, lead follow-ups, appointment booking, instant responses, all without sounding robotic or awkward. For service businesses and agencies, this solves a painful problem. Missed calls mean missed money. Agent Voice doesn't forget to follow up, it doesn't get busy, and it doesn't drop leads on the floor. It quietly keeps the pipeline moving. 8. Jenny AI. Jenny AI is built for long-form writing, not tweets, not captions, real content, articles, research, essays, structured thinking. It helps you get better drafts faster without that stiff, obviously AI tone. Writers, bloggers, authors, and anyone producing serious content use it as a thinking partner, not a replacement. It speeds up the hard part, getting ideas out of your head and onto the page. 9. SciSpace Copilot. SciSpace Copilot is for anyone who's ever opened a research paper and immediately regretted it. Dense language, complex diagrams, endless jargon. This tool breaks academic and technical papers down into clear, understandable explanations. Students, analysts, scientists, and technical professionals use it to save hours and avoid rereading the same paragraph 5 times. It turns complexity into clarity. 10. Goblin Tools. Goblin Tools is different. It's part task manager, part thinking assistant. You can break overwhelming tasks into manageable steps, estimate how long something will actually take, rewrite messages to be clearer or calmer, reduce mental friction. It's not flashy. It doesn't try to impress you. It just helps you think and work more clearly, which is often the biggest productivity win of all. Here's the real takeaway. The next wave of people winning with AI won't be the ones using more tools. They'll be the ones using better, more specific tools, quietly, consistently, and early. If a tool solves one annoying problem perfectly, it's worth paying attention, even if no one's talking about it yet. If you want more breakdowns like this, practical tools, real use cases, and straight-talk AI for actual business, join the free Unlock the Floodgates newsletter here. https://unlockthefloodgates.com.